solve. 9 minus 3x equals 6 times the quantity x plus 4. We begin on the right-hand side by distributing the 6 into the parentheses. On the left-hand side, it remains the same, 9 minus 3x. 6 times x gives us 6x. Then we have plus 6 times 4 is equal to 24. We'll begin by subtracting 9 on both sides. So we have 9 minus 3x minus 9 equals 6x plus 24 minus 9. On the left-hand side, the 9 minus 9 sums to 0. We have negative 3x equals, on the right-hand side, 6x, and then 24 minus 19 is 15. Now we would subtract 6x from both sides. Negative 3x minus 6x equals 6x plus 15 minus 6x. On the left-hand side, we combine the coefficients. Negative 3 minus 6 is negative 9x. On the right-hand side, we have 6x minus 6x is 0, so we have 15. Now we divide both sides by the negative 9, the coefficient of the x. These, of course, cancel to 1, so we have x is equal to, and then a positive divided by a negative is negative 15 ninths. Well, we need to simplify 15 ninths. That is equal to negative, and we can write 15 as 5 times 3, 9 as 3 times 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you can see the answer is negative 5/3. So we write the solution is negative 5/3.